Well, hiccup is still here, but at least I got a haircut, even though it's going back already. Um, yeah, I'm still trying to find some cure. Um, still wrecking my life. Past few days, I haven't slept much because it's just going and going. Um, Even when I double up on my sleeping pills, still there. Um, so I'll get like 2 hours at a time. I am asleep, so that's not much throughout the night. Um, Went into the emergency, and they basically didn't want to give me any sleeping pills. They gave me Valium and Thorazine and stuff like that, but it knocked me out for 20, 30 minutes and back up again. And so I went to a different emergency room. I went to LAC USC because wanted to try something new, but they said they would have to just send me back to Kaiser. So still here with the hiccups. Um, it was up to like way up to 55 per second minute. I mean that's the max it ever went to. That's how much it went to Monday. Um, so yeah, it's pretty bad. Um, still losing weight and just punishing all day. So still trying to find a cure. Anybody out there who knew anyone that had it, got cured, please free to let me know. Um, if you say I got a pillow on my pillow, a towel on my pillow, because I'm rubbing myself with CBD oil, the balm, CBD balm in my neck and my stomach. Excuse me. Just try something else new. So, so here hiccups. Um, I don't know exactly how many days now, but it's almost a year and a month going with these hiccups. Oh, still trying to keep the faith. Believe that the Lord have me. He got me, but just trying my best. Um, Anyone out there been through this hiccups, intractable hiccups? Please feel free to give give me some advice or what worked for you. All right. Thank you guys. Peace out. God bless you.